7924 Riviera Beach. The owner is home and there's a lot of dogs and they were barking. I'm not going to say too much about the condition while I'm inside. We will probably recommend a repaint, 100%. So we do have mature landscaping, really beautiful. This is a very desirable area, but of course there's grass. So we'll see what Jenny has to say about the grass, and anytime you change landscaping when you have an HOA, you have to go through the HOA approval process, which the property manager company helps you with. But a lot of the Summerlin properties have grass because at the time they were built, it was still normal to put the grass in. Okay, so repaint. And moving inside, we have tile at the entry, and then it steps down to carpet. We have one. That'll probably be 2 blinds. That'll be 2. So let's see. That's 6, 7. We won't put them on the picture windows, and we don't need it on the fan. So 6. Sorry, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in this room, but we already have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds in place. So that's great. The paint appears to be in good condition. So the tile continues in through the kitchen. This is a large window. We'll see what Jenny says about the blinds, but she may not even want one here because you have privacy from the backyard. Okay, so we already have a space saver microwave in place, and it's stainless steel. That's a nice plus, and the cabinets are in good condition. You have lots of large windows, which allows a lot of light in, so Jenny will like that. You also have a fairly private backyard, especially for what you're going to find in Vegas, because you have a 1-story behind us, and this house is set to about the same distance as this house, so you don't have anyone overlooking you, so that's nice. Jenny will probably recommend installing rock in the backyard, but it's great that you already have concrete in place and a pergola. Okay, so moving into this room, you have laminate flooring and the entertainment inset that was fairly common. We have a dining room fan with a light kit, and we need to get 2 blinds here. So we have tile in this downstairs powder room. Oh, sorry, vinyl. We have vinyl in this downstairs powder room. We have really beautiful stone counters, undermount sink, cabinets look good, the paint looks fresh, no rust on the light fixture, so very nice. And then we have a laundry room that's off to itself, which is a huge plus. You don't want to have to walk through the rooms, the laundry room, to get to other rooms if you don't have to. Okay, so we have what is probably a closet there. Okay, I'm gonna head upstairs. I like the banister. It doesn't have sort of that dated, older feel to it. A lot of the cabinets in the wood looks like it was recently painted. We have the same fan in the bedroom as we did in the living room downstairs. It's nice. It's almost important to have a fan with a light kit in the master. These 2 need blinds. Carpet's in good condition. Vinyl, but we have stone counters, undermount sinks, cabinets look great. Those light fixtures look good, they can stay. Okay. Let's move into the other rooms. Sorry. Thank you. So we do have an upgraded ceiling fan with the light kit and the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. The room is a little darker tan and the carpet's in good condition. We have mirrored paneled closet doors. Same thing over here. Oh. And this is built in. Okay, these shelves are built into the wall and it wraps all the way around to the front of the house. And then we have the upstairs room, bathroom that shares between the 2 rooms. Final floor, stone counters, undermount sinks, upgraded fixtures. Light fixture looks good. Nice raised panel doors, final flooring. And it's also nice when you have a shared bathroom to have the water closet separate. It's more functional and efficient. Okay, so that's the property.